Oh yeah. Good stuff. All wholesale. Look at that. Yeah. What's the deal? Hell yeah, for the YouTube. Alright, so let's see. One day, looking good.
$5?
Yeah, anything.
How about $4? I'll take 3, $12.
Is this your spot over here?
Thank you, no.
Oh, okay, all right, thanks.
Way over there on the other side.
Oh, all right, man. Yeah.
What is that, 12, man?
Oh yeah, anything over there is all $10 a piece.
Those 2 things.
You got 2 things? All right, yeah. Out of the $10 section?
Huh?
Out of the $10 section, so just 20? All right, thank you.
Sure.
This right here. I opened it and everything went everywhere. I finally got it all back in one.
Yeah, you got it all there?
Yeah, I think it's only missing a couple, but yeah, these are like they're like 150 new. Yeah. Still opening this stuff, seeing if it's complete. I just got this stuff in. So.
Yeah, you gotta push it really deep, huh?
Yeah. No. No. Oh, what? 50.
Huh?
50.
40.
Look at that. Look at that scam. Look, it was a Ribby drill and look, they put water in it.
No.
Look at that scam. Look at that. You see that? Oh no.
Yeah.
Hey, got some water at least.
Yeah. I thought you were looking at that. I'll go 40. I need it.
Nah, yeah, I'll do 50. 50 is probably the best I'll do on that.
45 you gotta do, man.
Yeah, 50. 50. Yeah, because I know I got a buddy who needs one of those. I was saving it for him, but yeah, 50. I kind of wanted to save it for him anyway, but I already told you. I already told you 50. Yeah, it looked good to me. It looked pretty complete. Yeah, I got change. Yeah, here, let me. Yeah, I got change right here. So you 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, cool. There should be 5. Count that, make sure.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, cool.
I know there ain't no water bottles in there.
Yeah, seriously, man, I can't believe that. That's fucked up. I'm gonna tell him about that. Yeah.
You know, I know. I guess
Probably an employee or someone, so someone in the back.
I don't trust anything anymore.
Nah, man.
It's unfortunate because everybody's trying to survive.
Yeah, right.
But you know, they open up them storage doors again. I haven't been to one in a while.
Yeah, they definitely go through them. They go through them before.
At the storage units, you know.
Yeah.
Well, I already got 2 of them.
And I was, I was gonna do 30 on the smaller one. I was gonna say, I told you 40. I was gonna say 50. I do 100 for all 3 together. I do 100 even, and then you guys could figure out.
All right, can I just open this one and check this?
Sure, yeah.
Do you have a little?
Need a knife?
Yeah, look at this guy's.
There you go, dude. I got knives for sale too.
Solid gold.
One. Yeah, man.
Solid gold.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, check it out. Oh, good deal.
What? That's all right.
Yeah, that one was 30. Thank you.
Oh, it's a
Smaller
chug.
one.
What? Why do you need a waterproof charger? In case
So you don't get shot.
in case you want to charge underwater.
Yeah.
Does it work okay?
Yeah. Let's open it and see. I gotta check.
Pull the back of it out.
Can I see that? We gotta open
Yes.
this. Yeah. All right. Let's see here.
Any more Milwaukee stuff, or is this it?
I think this is the only Milwaukee thing I saw in the whole thing. So
The other one is.
You got a 5 spot.
yeah, I got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Perfect. Some
Awesome.
more
Thank you, man.
tens. Thank you.
Yeah,
Good
nice.
seeing you again.
Yeah, good seeing you. Be around.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Problem is, I don't have a. It doesn't
got
have
one?
a battery in it, right?
No, it doesn't have a
Yeah.
battery, but
Yeah,
There you
it's
go.
a battery.
thank
It's
you.
expensive. I don't have any Milwaukee. I'm all DeWalt and Ryobi.
Yep, me too. Me too. That's what I got.
All right, brother.
Awesome, man. Thanks.
See you around.
Yeah, have a good one. Said he wanted the battery or the wall
I
plug
thought you were
in.
talking about that because I don't know if it's gonna work or not.
No. Yeah, I need one of those. I'm gonna take that home, see if it
Yeah,
plugs
that's big
in.
enough
If
for
it's
your truck.
it's good to have, you know,
Yeah.
just in case you need it. If you just want that, I'd do that for 10. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, broke off.
It's Milwaukee.
It's got a broken cover, but hopefully it spins around.
Yeah,
The lowest is 15.
yeah, or 12.
How about 10?
Yeah, I'll do 10. That's empty. You want to do 15? You get that too?
No,
it's empty. You
I'm
could
just gonna gamble on that.
use it for something.
You got 10?
Yeah, I'll do 10.
You got another 10 on your change.
Yeah, I got 10.
Thank you.
Yeah, charges are all 3 for 10 if you want
for
them. Yeah, 3 for 10.
Cables too?
Yeah, cables. Yeah, 3 for 10. Or I'll make you a deal if you want to buy a bunch. Oh, cool. Are you 8?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3. Thank you, man. All right, here I got 5 for you. Awesome. Thank you, man.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Have a good one.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. This meat, it was all right. It was a decent one. It wasn't as good as some of the other meats I've been to. One, it was just so hot. My GoPro kept overheating. I lost a lot of good shots. Missed out on some good filming. I wish the video could have been a little longer, but it's all right. We made do. Another thing, I wish this pallet would have been a little bit better. It was, you know, just because the water bottle thing one was hilarious. Hopefully it wasn't the wholesaler that put water bottles in the power drill thing, but I assume that it was probably somewhere down in Home Depot somewhere. Hopefully a customer didn't put water bottles in there and then it got returned. I mean, that would be ridiculous, but probably an employee, a Home Depot employee. I wouldn't doubt it, but it's whatever. You know, that's part of the game. But I did have to pay $8.50 for this pallet, so I paid $50 more for this pallet. And the quality of the stuff was just not as good as the first pallet I got, which was just weird. I assumed that it would be way better, but it's all right. We made do. So now we did $4.27 at this meet, and after paying for the spot, $25 for the space, we came out at $4.02. So I figured around $52 of that, whatever, $50 were like watches and chargers and other items not related, and then $3.50 of it was for sure all Home Depot stuff. So right now I need to make another $500 with the remaining stuff that I have, and then I will be broken even on these 2 pallets that I got. So yeah, the first pallet was a little bit better, but it's all right. We'll make do. And I was really looking forward to that impact. Really, I was probably gonna keep that one, but it's all right. You know, there will be other impacts. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Just let me know in the comments if you enjoyed, if you want to see more. I'm gonna have a lot more other videos coming, and there will be other not just swap meet videos. There will be other videos to
So, and I also got an Instagram, so go down there, follow me on Instagram. That'd be great. Please leave a like, comment. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Peace.